How is it going, everybody? Today we are going to check out this $200 metal detector from Minelab, the Minelab Vanquish 340, and we're going to metal detect this very popular reservoir where people fish. Let's see how plug and play this metal detector is. So I'm gonna hit the power button. It's turning on, and literally there's 3 buttons, or 4 if you consider the power button: power, volume, sensitivity, and mode. So this is probably the easiest metal detector to use for a beginner. Let's start detecting. This is a drying up reservoir, so I'm trying to detect and see if I can find some fishing lures, maybe some jewelry, because people used to swim here. Currently got it in jewelry mode, which is a great mode, except you find a lot of trash. But let's start detecting. I'm going to show you guys the first signal I find, and we'll go from there. All right, so I didn't even walk 2 feet, and the detector going crazy on this signal. Right here, popping up as 15, 16-ish, which is more than likely a pull tab. It also has a depth indicator right here, and at the top of the screen you've got all your different, what each thing you're going to find, like your number range of what you could find is. So it's showing that it's right up on the surface. So let me pull my pinpointer out and let's see if I can find it. Hey, it works. Got my first pull tab ring pull of the day, so we know it's working. Let's keep digging. Getting 13, 14 right here on the surface, even a 12. It's jumping around a lot. Let's see what it is. Let's start digging. Come to nobody's surprise that we found another pull tab with the entire pull tab this time. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Let's see if I can find something different, and I'll show you guys. I don't know if you guys see it or not. It's a penny, and a 1980 memorial penny. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Let's see what else we can find with this $200 machine. This just rang up as a 5, and it's a tiny, tiny, tiny fishing weight, which is awesome. This metal detector can pick up a fishing weight. I don't even know how to describe the size of this. Super small. Awesome. This metal detector picks up very small lead weights. Let's keep digging. All right, so right here on the surface, it's jumping between a 21 and a 24. Let's see what it is. That goes into my biggest headache with this metal detector, is tin cans like this, depending on how they're laying in the ground. Sorry, got my pin pointer right here. Always ring up differently. So this rang up as a get it out of there. This ring up as a 20-25. I've had them ring up as 30. I've had them ring up anywhere in the 20s and above. It's the only annoying thing. If you just dug a couple targets, tell me what you guys think in the comments below. If you have one of these Vanquish 340s, let's let all the viewers know whether or not you recommend it or not. In the comments below what you guys think. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you.